Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we will be showing you some crafts and interesting paintings. So first we are making a lion. So first we will draw its face like this. Now put the double-sided tape and stick the leaves on the sides to make its face and it's ready. Next, stick the branches of the tree, apply the glue and sprinkle the flowers. Now we will make a girl. So make its head and its body like this. Draw its eyes and face, legs and hands, sprinkles of flowers and it's ready. Next, we will take a bubble wrap sheet and color it. Now print it on the white sheet. Now using the leaves, we will make the sunflower. So take the yellow color and print it on the white sheet like this. Make it stems and leaves. Now put some green bushy leaves on it like this and it's ready. Next, we will make some more interesting crafts. For that, we will apply the double-sided tape on the yellow sheet. Now put some green bushy leaves on it like this. Now paste the ice cream stick and make the lion face and it's ready. Next, we will take a cardboard sheet and then draw the lines on it like this. So here we are drawing a basket. Draw the lines on it and cut it out. Now make the holes and put the flowers on it like this and your flower basket is ready. So in our videos, we use this glue to paste the ice cream sticks or the peanut shells, glaze, papers or to sprinkle something. We use this glue to make our paintings and crafts. So next, we'll be making another beautiful painting or the drawing. Now take a fruit foam net and make a pineapple out of it. Make its eyes, mouth and it's ready. Next, we'll be making these candy sticks. So first, we will take a wooden cardboard sheet and cut it out in a heart shape. Now put the double-sided tape over it and then stick the candies on it one by one like this. After that, we will take a yellow color paper, roll it using the stick and paste it. Now make a bow and the wings and it's ready. Next, we will take this shell and then color it. Now we will draw the body of the ostrich, make its neck, legs. Now draw some water and put the bushy leaves around it and it's ready. Next, draw a circle shape on the yellow sheet. Now cut it from the sides using the scissors. Now fold it as we are folding. Now make a hole in the between, stick its eyes and your toy is ready. Next, we will be taking a stick like this and paste the leaves. Now paste the yellow leaves over it, put a red leaves in the between, make the butterfly around it and it's ready. Next, take a green color paper strip and stick it. Now take another green paper, cut it and then paste it like this. Now take the red sheets and paste it like this to make the flower. Now fold them from the sides, put the fruit foam net like this, roll it and then paste it in the between. Now we will stick it like this and your bouquet is ready. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet and draw the lines on it and make a pot. Now color it using red color. After that, we will make the holes like this on it and put the flowers on the holes. Draw the stems and it's ready. Next, take a jute thread and make the frame. Now put the sellotape on it like this. Now paste the flowers, leaves one by one of your choice on it like this and your photo frame is ready. Next, take a dry leaves and paste it on the white sheet. Stick its eyes, ears like this. Now draw its mouth, draw its legs and your monkey is ready. Next, take a dry leaf and cut it from the sides. Now put a white color paper on it. So here we are making a girl wearing a frock. Now make its dress, legs and it's ready. Next, we will take this paper. Now draw the lines on it and then cut it out. After that, put the double-sided tape on it and fix it in the between. Now make the butterflies over it like this and it's ready. You can use these cards or the craft as a greeting cards for your loved ones. Next, we'll make the branches of the tree. Take some crushed leaves and then apply the glue on the sheet and sprinkle the leaves like this. And then we will make the cat and it's ready.